Okay, so today we are going to be making Captain America's broken shield from Avengers Endgame. Okay, so now I need to get a large piece of cardboard and I'm going to start making the general shape of the shield, and I'm going to find some way to make it domed. So let's just get that piece of cardboard. Oh, okay. This is pretty big, but I think this will work. Okay, so I have just made this whole shield. I didn't stop to talk about anything for that because I thought it was pretty straightforward. Basically, I'll just talk about it real quick here before I get into the painting. So basically, what I did was I made this whole circle shield, and I'll have dimensions and templates and stuff in the description. But I made this whole shield. I cut a slit, and then I cut a wedge that was 1 inch at the end out, and then I kind of glued it back together so it was slightly domed. Then I cut this jagged part off. Then I made the rings and the star. On the back there's these for the handle to attach to, and then I covered the whole back in paper cardboard because I cut like slits like this coming out from this middle point just to help it curve. Then I put these on, of course, and then now I just have to paint it. And then I can add actual straps. So, as I said before, I'm not going to really have a template for this whole circle thing, because maybe I'll have a template for the jagged edge, but not for the whole circle. I'll just give you like the width of it or something. So, let's start painting. Okay, and we're done, and I think it looks really awesome. So you just saw me with it on, you just saw some pictures of it as well. So flip it around, you can see the back side. I'll start from the back and work my way to the front. So I've already talked about some stuff for the back, but what I haven't talked about is the handles. These are just it's just cardboard, paper cardboard. That I glued on. These straps right here. This is all painted silver. This front, I'll have the red stripes. I did cut in kind of in between each one. This star is paper cardboard that is glued on with tacky glue. I took black, put it on a paper towel, and kind of smeared it in. One thing, it seemed to like smear better on the like shiny ones than these ones that are more matte, the matte colors like the red and the blue. So maybe if you like put a gloss coating over this first, then it would be like if you see on these colors being like it went on a bit thicker than it did on this silver one. So it depends on what you want. Just be careful if you're gonna do that. So I think it looks awesome. There's templates in the description that gives you the jagged edge, how wide to make this, and it gives this pieces, and it also gives you the star, which surprisingly enough, the star is very hard to make. This took me about 4 hours to make, so not super long. That doesn't include paint drying time, that's just an approximation, but super fun build. I hope you will maybe try to make this yourself. Even if you don't, I hope you did enjoy. Please do subscribe, and I'll see you next time.